Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Your Florida electrician. EVBase was kind enough to supply me with an expansion dock, which I have been dying to use. Why? Because I'll get more USB ports, more C ports. The wife and I are always fighting over this charger and what we need in here. There's one plug in here that we have to keep changing out. So go ahead and use either my iPhone charger for this version or the C version that the wife has. So it'd be nice to have more than one. I've been belly aching about getting this installed, and I'm going to install this today. But anybody that has a Tesla knows that you either have your charging stations here where you can plop them down and wirelessly charge, or you have the one charging port in here or two in the back seat. Yeah. Let's get this thing installed. I really need it. All right, guys, let me show you how easy this was to put in. Okay, it does have some simple instructions here. How to install it. It's very straightforward. Let me see, there's not enough light there. So basically, it looks like there is the old school charging port down there. I'm going to plug this in, put this at an angle in the slot. That can't be any easier than that. Did you see that?
Alright, not only does it have a really cool light, but you can charge just about anything, including my microphone, my lapel microphone that I just took off, and now I have to do a voiceover. But let's give this a shot. Alright, there we are. Plugged it in. It's charging. There's one. Okay, so what if you're a YouTuber and you have your microphone and you have your Insta360 and you want to charge both of those? Simple as that. Now if I want to go ahead and charge my cell phone, I could pull that out or stick them up there for the charging. But this has 27 watts to each one of these ports for charging, so you're not splitting the charge. And this really cool light, each time you push the button you have a different light setting. Now that's pretty cool when it's dark out. I just tried it last night, and with that thing scrolling, it's really neat. It's different settings. It looks really nice. So you have a full 27 watts per device for each one. It's not splitting the wattage.
Okay, a special thank you for EVBase for sending me this charging hub, expansion hub. It's going to be very helpful. Like I said, the wife and I are always, there's only one port inside the glove box here, the armrest, and we're always switching out cables because her phone uses a C and mine uses the typical iPhone. This is going to be great. It was an easy install, and the holidays are coming, so in the description, look for special discounts. At any rate, I can always get you 20% using YFE at checkout on EVBase, but during the holidays, I can probably get you more, so check in the description for what the discount is. It might be more. All right, thank you, EVBase, and thank you for this. It's going to stop a lot of the fighting over the charger. All right, thank you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, send this to your friends. Anybody with a Tesla, going to need one of these. Handy. Thank you.